Hello class 8 students, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 8 students, as you know, this is computer class and me Tarkeshwar sir. Your previous chapter in the number of system is finished. Now, the next chapter you have to see here, chapter number 8, and the name of that chapter is the Internet and its services. Okay? The Internet and its services. It means in this chapter we have to talk about Internet and its services. Which type of service we have to get from the Internet and what is Internet. So all over you know in the previous classes what is an Internet. So again I repeat the definition of Internet. Network of network. Network of network. It means the collections of networks are called Internet. The collections of networks are called Internet. Okay. In the Internet, net form is network, and network is a medium by which you just communicating. Okay. Now, in the Internet services, we have to just going to know the first Internet service according to your books. The first Internet service is called blogs. Okay. What is blogs? The question is this. A blog is a short form of the weblog. Okay. Weblog. It is a website or a web page that is run by an individual or a small group of pupils, and it is a personal online journal that is frequently updated and dedicated to general public compulsion. It is a personal online journal where people write and they regularly their opinions and or information on a specific topic. The entries in a blog are called posts. Okay, these entries are displayed in the reverse chronological order, meaning that the most current post is displayed at the top of the blog's home page. Okay, a person who writes a blog is known as a blogger. Writing a blog, maintaining a blog, or updating an existing blog with a new article is called blogging, where there are many companies that offer blog publishing services. For example, WordPress.com blog can be very useful as they can provide current news, technical information, political story. Okay. However, the written text in your notebooks, but you just think here, blog is a page, blog is a web page where you just do a post, and on that post you have to just write your own opinion, your own ideas, your own thoughts to the pupils. Okay. So similarly in this definition you have to learn blog is used to post our opinion, ideas, thoughts for the public. Okay. Next, web feed. Web feed. After the blog, the next is a web feed. Web feed is what? An online web feed, also known as a news feed, is a data format used for providing often updated content of user RSS rich site summary. It is a type of web feed. Example of such website are news sites, web pages of religious organization and weblogs. Most of web browser and emails program have inbuilt feed reader, but web feed have advantage of over email feeds. A feed is sometimes also referred to a syndicate feed. Okay. Web feed. Web feed is known as a news feed. It means suppose it is your portal and there is no happens. But suddenly what? A news come here. Suddenly what? A news come here. On that time, that feed is called web feed. So you just say that a web feed is refers to like as a news feed. Okay. Next, communication service over the internet. Okay, that is a very hug medium to communicate over the internet. First, all of you know the most popular web communication application is WhatsApp. Okay, now just see here communication services on the internet. Communication services on the internet. Now listen. First is email. Okay. In a short, I will just explain that email's full form is electronic mail. Electronic mail. Okay. Email full form is an electronic mail. So an electronic mail is an electronic files those you are share from one to another. Okay, if you are just sharing your own computer electronic file to someone, so that file is sending from one to another. The proceeding of that file is called sending the file. It is called emailing. But when you just send a file to that person, that's called you have to send an email. Second is chat room. Okay. So chat room of what? A room is where you have to just communicate your textual information with the pupils, like as a Facebook Messenger, either WhatsApp is a type of chat rooms where you have to just do the communications. Okay. Now next, the do's and does not of chat. You should follow some rules. Okay, like that do's. You should use a username, nickname instead of your real name of your profile. Okay, suppose that your name is such and such, then you just choose a nickname for your profile. Then you should only talk the people you know. Okay, it is very necessary. On the chat room, you have to just only talk on that person those you have known. Second, does not. Do not. You should never share your personal information in a chat room. Is that clear? Second, you should not agree to see or meet someone you have talked to in a chat room. Do not trust anyone. Okay? So it is that rules those you are just following the chat rooms. Next, instant messaging. Instant messaging is a service used for communication over the internet that allows a real-time transmission of text messages from a sender to a receiver. Suppose that in a WhatsApp you have to just send immediately, then on that real time that person is get your messages. Okay. Next is news group. A news group is an online discussion groups about a particular topic. Use post their messages to news server. It then sends those messages to a bunch of other contributing servers. Okay. Internet telephony or online telephony is a communication technology that allows telephone calls and some other telephone services such as SMS and fax to be transmitted over the internet. Okay. Internet telephony is also named as IP telephony or broadband telephony. Next is a Google Hangouts. Okay, Google Hangouts and Skype, the most popular telephony software. The software can be downloaded for free from the internet. Using this software, you can make computer-to-computer video, either audio calls. Social networking. So social networking used to dedicated website and application to interact with the other user or find people on that. Like that, Facebook, Twitter is a social media websites, social media sites on where you have to create your own login ID and password. After that, you have to communicate on those people, those you know, and you will be share your post, and they have to just see about your post and comments, likes, etc., etc. Now, the next and very important thing is FTP, and it is the board's class 10 questions. What is a FTP? Okay, it is very important for you. FTP. The name is this file transfer protocol. Okay, the name of this is file transfer protocol, FTP. Listen carefully. FTP is a protocol by which you have to download and upload a data to the internet. Okay, so listen carefully, everyone. File transfer protocol is an internet protocol used to exchanging files between computer over the internet. It means downloading and uploading. How FTP works? The user system is called the local host system and the connected to the internet, and other machine called the remote host is also connected to the internet and runs to the FTPs. Next, cloud computing. It is a very interesting thing, cloud. Okay, cloud computing is known as a online computing. It is a technology that uses to internet to store and access the data instead of using the hard disk of a personal computer. Suppose that in your PC, the hard disk is option to store your data, but you not need to store the hard disk. Then another option is a cloud computing. Okay, cloud computing is a process where you have to just store your data similar as a hard disk drive, and in there you have to find your data through the online. Like that, Google. Okay, Google companies give a Google Drive, and Google Drive is a phone application. But if you need to just store that files over the internet, then you just use the Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud where you have to save free data up to the 15 GB. Next is a Google plus Photo. Google Photo is another types of cloud, and where you have to just store the pictures. Okay, those pictures you have to take, and that pictures you have to save on the photos. Next is a YouTube. YouTube is a very big library all over the world, and where you have to just share in your videos, and that videos are shared only one medium by the uploading. Okay. Next, netiquettes or net etiquettes refer to a etiquette on the internet. We should always follow good manners. Okay, during online communication such as a blog, chat room, email, social networking, etc. Okay, what is the manners of that? You should keep your personal information private. It means never be share your personal information over the internet. Second, use a decent language while chatting or talking to the people online. Okay. Next, you should respect other privacy. Do not post any copyrighted materials for which you do not own any rights. Write clearly what you want to say. Never write anything in capital letters. You should always respect the other cultures. You should not hurt anyone by using any offensive language. You should never spread or publish any false or hateful information on the internet. Do not post or publish the same materials or an advertisement rapidly. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day for just understanding the internet and its services. Okay? Till then, thank you. Bye. And tomorrow I will give the question answer about you. Thank you.